Alright, hi everybody. So today this is the makeup tutorial. It is a purple cut crease using, of course, shades by Gal, and these are the colors that I'm working with today. This is a very plummy purpley palette. Absolutely love it, and I completely went with an ethnic vibe for this look. I have my hair wrapped up really nice. I've never done this head wrap before, so this was very new for me. No, I didn't film it, sorry. It was new for me, so I couldn't film it. And I have on my little choker, and it's by, I'll leave the company in the description bar below who it's by. And for my lips, I'm wearing Shades by Gal gel liner in Mystic. And for my blush, I'm wearing Lorac Pro Rosy Glow. It's a cheek stain. It's this color right here. And for my highlight, which I'm sure you are seeing highlighted to the gods, honey, I am wearing MAC Extra Dimension Double Definition. For my lashes, I am wearing Lena Lashes in Sophia. For my lashes, I am wearing Lena Lashes in Sophia. I have a discount code in the description bar below, so you can go ahead and check that out. What else? No, that's it. Yeah. So for everything else I held up in the video, really hope you guys enjoy this makeup tutorial, and yeah, just continue watching.
Yo, armor. Tell some people level. Jesus, me say no. Can't come this far, God. Yeah. Hey, Mr. Eden, me have few words to talk to you now. Hey, look at that, yo. Armor International. Tell some people, hey, me no care if you're bad from birth. Coulda be the wickedest man on earth. Your gun coulda all make the light post church. Me I tell you only father God is big work. No, you coulda grew up in a bad man work. Run like Al-Qaeda fi hide in a dirt. Your gun coulda all make the light post church. Armor tell them, hey, you coulda tick like 10 for come on. Think you are the toughest thing. My bills in flying pan. You coulda blow like industrial fan. Your foot coulda bang like a dust. Flow like any fan. Me no care if you turn Superman. Yeah, the super fit and you coulda know like the superness. And you coulda soup up like evolution. Still can't beat the man who cat and the creation. God make you do live and you chop it off. The maga them me make and me yam it off. Don't tell me what my mouth if you watch you talk. Your mouth make you see nightly for your heart. So what you talk when you will never talk. The tables will turn you get it like a bat. Bitter ending person and cold heart. Armor International tell some hey, we no care if you're bad. Coulda be the wickedest part. Your gun coulda tall make the light post turn. Me I tell you only father God gives me work now. You coulda grow up in a bad man work. Run like Al-Qaeda fi hide in a dirt. Your gun coulda tall. Tell you only Jesus Christ. Hey, me no care if you're bad from birth. Coulda be the wickedest man on earth. Your gun coulda tall make the light post turn. Me I tell you only father God gives me work now. You coulda grow up in a bad man work. Run like Al-Qaeda fi hide in a dirt. Your gun coulda. Hear me now. Father God, out if you seek after. Like a bad man want commit murder. Fool in a heart of feeling I'm danger. Dirty bad man must sit with them a seek for. Seek a life like my friend him lifer. Don't make guns them smoke like a reefer. Powder not touch a skin and a bumper. No night creature you not on a bleacher now. So listen to me good the common sense teacher. Me not gonna lie to you like Obi reader. We yes we gonna reap like a farmer. The body gun you gonna stink like a vulture. Father God never sleep, never slumber. Lightning strikes and I him roll the thunder. So when you drop in at the judgment remember. If you no repent I'm a dictate you say man. Blue chat that door. Yo.
Yeah, a J project. So yo, I'm at the production. Hey J Crazy, I got a link. What you say? It's serious enough. I link your life. Know what I mean? Stronger than any chain link. Yeah. I've got it. Link the king links with him, make my cup overflow. I've got it. Trust me, you're linked and the bigger than me. Jesus, no. I've got it. Have a problem, me just call up my linky. Big or small, you can deal with it neatly. Coming like a breeze, couldn't do it so easy. It's like something did a fight me. White squall and broke pocket nest did a bite me. Believe me, it follow me daily and nightly. Till me link the king, yet the king will wipe away since first him died for you, me, Miss Ivy. And him richer than the Bill Gates and the one with 490. Figure to tell us that him rose again. Superman, I'm nothing for me link my friends, so no. I've got it. Link the king links with him, make my cup overflow. I've got it. Trust me, you're linked and the bigger than me. Jesus, no. I've got it. Have a problem, me just call up my linky. Big or small, you can deal with it neatly. Like a breeze, can't do it so easy. Let me tell you this. Girls, yes, me love them. Hourglass shape with some silky chocolate skin. Trust me, I can't get enough of them. But me link, me know a few things. People say, ooh, find a wife, find a good thing. Plus a Adam and Eve, not Adam, Paulette and Venice. Now the bag a girl something. So it's Christine, I'm alive and she love Jesus Christ. So me tell her about me link. I've got it. Link the king, links with him, make my cup overflow. I've got it. Trust me, you're linked and not bigger than me, Jesus. No, I've got it. Have a problem, me just call up my linky. Big or small, you can deal with it neatly. Coming like a breeze, couldn't do it so easy. It's like something did a fight me. White squall and broke pocket nest did a bite me. Believe me, it follow me daily and nightly. Till me lick the king, yet the king will wipe away sins. Plus him died for you, me, Miss Ivy. And him richer than the Bill Gates and the one we own 90. Figure fi tell us him rose against Superman. I have nothing for me link my friends, so no. I've got it. Link the king, links with him, make my cup overflow. I've got it. Trust me, you're linked and not bigger than me, Jesus. No, I've got it. Have a problem, me just call up my linky. Big or small, you can deal with it neatly. Coming like a breeze, couldn't do it so easy. I've got it. Link the king, links with him, make my cup overflow. I've got it. Trust me, you're linked and not bigger than me, Jesus. No, I've got it. Have a problem, me just call up my linky. Big or small, you can deal with it neatly. Coming like a breeze, couldn't do it so easy.
My armor make me stand firm, despite the situation. Yeah, J Project.
Firmer than a million soldier ready for launch attack. Firmer than the Eiffel Top. Firmer than when you press your clothes and you use starch a lot. Firmer than the escape out of Saddam and Gomorrah. Me a talk a lot. Stand firm when everybody round you want to bet the man. Yeah, stand firm just like the Gideon. Stand firm when all around is sinking. Stand no crisis all around we stand. I beg you stand firm when everybody round you want to bet the man. Yeah, stand firm just like the Gideon. Stand firm when all around is sinking. Stand no crisis all around we stand. I beg you stand firm. Greater is he who's planted just like a tree. He shall not wither in any season. He shall not lose one leaf. Stop on Jesus Christ if you lean on and be strong. And like the cliche say, stand up firm just like a lily on the house. So when all around is like quicksand, just lift hands to the King and stick to Jesus like he's your Siamese twin. And never depart from him, never stay far from him, and never you surrender. Stand firm when everybody round you want to get the man. Yeah, stand firm just like the Gideon. Stand firm when all around is sinking. Stand no crisis all around we stand. I beg you stand firm when everybody round you want to get the man. Yeah, stand firm just like the Gideon. Stand firm when all around is sinking. Stand no crisis all around we stand. I beg you stand firm. Like the great wall down in China, me Satan get behind her. Blessed is the man that walking up with the ungodly. We never join that. See up on the right path, never slide back. Never use someone, never lie back. Pick yourself up off the ground when Satan want you. Never hear back. When they are you, me want the cider. Want me one of them sheep because nothing now when me Clyde. Not support terrorism, I act to error.